Hey there, Space Cadets! Before we blast off, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more astronomical adventures. Your interaction propels our spaceship of discovery faster than a supernova. Now, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to explode some common misconceptions about nukes and the final frontier. Have you ever pondered the explosive question? What would happen if you detonate a nuclear bomb in space? I know, it's not your typical Tuesday afternoon thought, but stick with me here. First off, let's blow up a common myth. There won't be a massive, flaming mushroom cloud. I hate to shatter your dreams, but fireballs and mushroom clouds are so Earth-centric. Space, my dear friends, is a vacuum. Without oxygen, that iconic nuclear fireball can't form. So, sorry to all the pyromaniacs out there, no flaming spectacles in space. So, what actually happens? Well, it's all about radiation, folks. In the vacuum of space, the energy of a nuclear explosion is transformed into an intense pulse of X-rays and gamma rays. This radiation pulse expands out in a sphere from the point of detonation, like a deadly disco ball sending out a light show of destruction. And what about the shockwave, you ask? Well, here's another shocker: there isn't one. On Earth, nuclear detonations create a powerful blast wave as they shove aside the air. But in space, there's no air to shove. So, while our disco ball of death is sending out its radiation pulse, it's doing it in a eerily silent and shockwave-less manner. Now, you might think that without the traditional fire and brimstone, a space nuke would be less destructive. Well, not so fast, my interstellar intellects. The radiation from a space nuke can have some pretty gnarly effects on electronic systems. Ever heard of the Starfish Prime test? Back in 1962, the US detonated a nuclear bomb 250 miles above the Earth's surface. The explosion was so powerful, it caused electrical damage in Hawaii, nearly 900 miles away. Now that's what I call a long-distance relationship. And this wasn't just any nuclear bomb. It was the largest nuclear test conducted in outer space by the US, with a yield of 1.4 megatons. So, next time you're daydreaming about epic space battles with massive explosions, remember, real space explosions are less Star Wars and more radiation rave. And that's a wrap for today's cosmic journey. I hope you've learned something new and mind-blowing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button like a gamma ray burst, and subscribe to our channel for more astronomical knowledge bombs. And remember, the comment section is your personal launchpad. Let us know what you think, share your thoughts, or suggest a topic for our next voyage into the vastness of the universe. Stay curious, Space Cadets, and remember, in space, no one can hear you explode.